Hi everyone, this is Bee Shirley with the Crafty Bee. I'm coming to you today to show you how I actually made the makeup organizer. I'm not going to make the same one I made on the video that I did of my daughters, the little the purple ones and the blue ones, but I'm going to show you how I make the smaller ones. So I'm making one for my sister right now. She's into black, so I'm making her a black one. I painted these, but I didn't the other ones. But anyway, I hope you like my video. If you do, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and then leave me a comment of any suggestions or comments about it. Okay, here we go. Let's get busy. I've already cut everything up, and I went ahead and painted, to save some time, I went ahead and painted the little silver napkin rings that you get from Dollar Tree. I painted them black. As you can see, I painted it black. Okay, from this moment on, you won't see my face. You just see the makeup organizers. Here we go. I'm not good at this camera, so I'm learning. Alright, well, first we're going to do, I'm going to put some bling. I've already cut the sizes that I need. I'm going to put the bling on the napkin rings. Okay, I'm going to have to start my video over or do some editing because my video stopped. So I'll just have to come back and edit it. Alright, now I've got the mirror all blinged up. See, I put 2 on each side. So I had a total of a strand of 4. But made sure it was 2 on each side so I could smash them between the middle. Make it a little sturdier. Okay, now we're going to put the feet on. And as you see, I painted the silver napkin rings. I painted the silver napkin rings that you get the 6-pack for $1 at Dollar Tree. I painted them black, and I left one side clear, smooth, because I didn't want to be able to the glue from the glue gun to take the paint off. So I just left this side clear, and I'll be putting these on all 4 here, just like this. Alright, let me see, this would be, alright, here we go, we're going to glue this now. Look at this side, alright. Make sure you don't put too much, but put enough. I kind of hold mine to the side when I fix it, because the glue wants to fall on the inside, and I don't want it to. And just kind of keep turning it, that way it won't keep falling everywhere. If you know a better way to do these things, let me know. I want to do try to find the best way to do this and the easiest for folks with disabilities that enjoy doing these crafts. Okay, the prettiest side, the worst side, I always put the back. And I put it right in the corner of the 2 where the 2 diamonds meet. And then just press down like that. I usually count to 20, and then it's pretty sturdy. Alright, then I go on to the next. Okay, which is, that was on the inside. There we go. Okay. Now the third one. Which make that sense. We start up here. And as soon as you do it, go ahead and turn it upside down so that way it won't fall down through the middle. Oh my word. I just broke it, so now I've got to start all over.